Oh, be thankful all the time. God created all of us. The air that we breathe in, the fish that we catch, anything that grows in the land that cow and the goat can eat, we can eat what they can eat because the two animals know what the poison, plants are. So everything in the grace of God we have to eat. So when you do especially medicine, of course, put your faith in it because God is giving all the things, the resources that we need. There's medicinal plants there that we need. There's food that we need. Everything that we need is from God.
Pwede ako sa audit at pumunta at tumakan na nagstupilo. Yung tumunat ko siya, nung sinari, nag-joam tingaw, sa esta matungo ni tao to, na joam tingaw. Bulag-gani din, ayaw, mapansin ko siya, subibigin, kung mapasi, tamano, i-akbas na sumihan na
And then about payment, we just discussed about payment. We don't charge people. We don't put money in between the healing process. Whatever the people that whatever the people want to give us, food, coffee, sometimes rice, canned goods. We take it because it's from it's time. It's what is from the heart. But we don't put a loud sign to them, in the process of healing or to heal somebody. You're welcome.